Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack, and today I will be showing you how to set shortest route on Waze. So guys, I would like you to know that right away if you set a route on Waze, automatically Waze will find the fastest route using real-time data. So automatically Waze will set the shortest route on Waze, but you could go for alternate routes. So I will show you. First, open up the Waze application onto your device. And now, once you are here on the Waze application, of course, you could just simply provide where to. For example, I'm gonna go ahead and go for Baguio from here. And now from here, I'm just gonna simply tap on it. And from here, as you can see, you will have an option over here, view routes down below. And now from here, it will calculate some routes that you might want to consider. And from here, when I go ahead and go to the top, as you can see over here, I have two options over here. It's either I go for this route over here, which is 7 hours and 4 minutes, or I could go for 7 hours and 33 minutes over here, and I could see the information about it. So pretty much over here, since this is a long distance, it's just showing me two options. But of course, guys, if it's just a short distance, you will have other options over here down below and should be able to choose multiple routes that you might want to consider. But in default, guys, Waze will automatically set the shortest route on your Waze, and pretty much the best option that you have right now is go ahead and check other alternate routes that you might want to consider during your journey. There you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.